I'm looking for a color as bright as can be. Can you find something red for me? Is it a block or a shirt or a ball? Let's find something red, the brightest of all. Red, 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 the brightest of all. Great, you found a red hat. I'm looking for a color, cool and new. Can you find something blue for me? Is it a car or a book or a cup? Let's find something blue, then hold it right up. Blue, 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 then hold it right up. Great, you found a blue door. I'm looking for a color like the sun, so mellow. Can you find something yellow for me? Is it a duck or a star or a shoe? Let's find something yellow just for you. Yellow, 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 just for you. Great, you found a yellow toy car. I'm looking for a color, the prettiest I've seen. Can you find something green for me? Is it a leaf or a crayon or a tray? We're looking for something green. Hip hip hooray. Green, 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 hip hip hooray. Great, you found a green cup. Red, blue, yellow, green, so many colors that can be seen.